Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we will show you how to add soundboard sounds to Discord server. Before we start, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to download the voice mode software on your computer. This is a very popular and powerful software to change your voice effects. So install this voice mode on your computer and now go to your Discord and click on user settings. To the left hand side, scroll down and click on voice and video and click on input device, and from here select voice mode. Virtual audio device, click on output device and select here your microphone. Scroll down, make sure to disable echo cancellation option from here, and noise separation, select standard and disable automatic gain control. And after that, open your voice mode app, and from here you can select any voice effect and make sure to turn on voice changer option from here. And that's how we can set up a soundboard for Discord. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks, and we'll see you in the next video.